All right, quick crash course of what I'm looking at here. The manager's desk, the shelves, the countertop surface. On the top of that's at 30, and the corbels and just melamine shelves for here. Size is shown. The busing station, countertop here, and then wrapping this side, the face, inside, face, and outside with laminate. And the bar. That's our radius section there. A couple things that I need, which aren't really shown on the plans. The depth of these, I've got them at 16. In the elevation view, to confirm the heights, and we need to narrow down the countertops, how thick the buildup is going to be underneath and how thick the countertop is going to be. The height is given in the plans, the final height, but we need to figure out what we're doing for countertop. The step up here, the dead corner with fillers in the corner, big run of floating shelves, our base and uppers, and 10-foot run here. The bottom of these are 62, and I've got these about 2 inches down from the ceiling, from the soffit. So there'd be a piece that would scribe it in. Our big run floating shelves, laminate across the face of this. This right side is finished. This one would not be. It looks like it butts up against some appliances, but we can confirm that. And then I just need to know elevation and how deep these are, how far out they come from the wall, and how thick. Right now I've got them 16 deep, 4 inches high. This run here, top of these, 34.5. If we have an 1.5 inch countertop, finish off at 36. The point of sale cabinet, a couple of measurements to fine tune. Right now I've got that at 18 deep. It's open, white melamine interior. That's 18 deep. And then the customer side, which is 12 deep, same height. And this would be an exposed interior with the same color laminate as the exterior of the cabinets. And it looks like the face of that is flush with the face of this. And this wall is up about 6 inches off the floor. But let me know how this looks, and we can make adjustments as necessary. Thank you.